All right, so before you go live with my guys, all right, real quick, before you go live with my guys, those of you that don't know, this is Weeks of My Life, 52 weeks across, 100 years down. Today's actually my birthday, so we're going to cross this box off, this last box of the 26th in a row. And we start the 27th year of my life. Let's go, baby. Guys, those of you that don't know, this is Weeks of My Life, 52 weeks across, 100 years down. Today's actually my birthday, so we're going to cross this box off, this last box of the... All right, real quick, before we go live with my guy, 26th in a row. And we start the 27th year of my life. Let's go, baby. 26 in a row. All right, real quick, before we go live with my guys, those of you that don't know, this is Weeks of My Life, 52 weeks across, 100 years down. Today's actually my birthday, so we're going to push this box off, this last box. Yo, where's
Morning, boys.
Good morning, y'all. How y'all doing?
Oh, living the dream.
Can I hear any? There we go. You guys there?
Yeah, what's up, man?
Awesome.
Yes,
What's
sir.
up, guys?
What's up?
Not much. Were you guys able to see on Trello the trader journals?
No, I wasn't able to pull it up. It wouldn't pull up on mine. It said, I can't remember what it said.
Do you have the link for the Trello journal? Let's see.
Yeah.
Let me see if I
Oh, it's up now. It's up now.
Oh, so you see it.
Yep, I see it right now. It's up now.
Awesome. I'm just gonna copy the
It
link.
wasn't up yesterday.
Copy. Oh no, not that. Share. Yeah, put it up the this morning.
Oh, okay.
Yes, sir. How was your night?
It was good, man. Birdie did it again.
Oh man, I told you guys. Don't bet against that dude.
Oh, I don't. I'm a Falcons fan, so if anybody knows, I do.
Oh yeah.
You do. I mean, the
If any-
Chiefs' offensive line just let Mahomes down. I mean,
Oh,
they
yeah.
gave him no time.
It was him the
It
whole
was
time.
awful, man.
And his receivers dropped like 4 passes that hit him in the face.
Oh yeah.
2 of them were touchdowns.
That sucks. And you feel like you're the only one playing.
Yeah, he had like, what was it, in the third quarter on their last drive, had that diving, looks like a Derek Jeter kind of sidearm, and it literally hit the dude in the mouth. And you're like,
right in his
you're
mouth.
like, man.
I was pissed. I was actually screaming son when it happened.
I was like, dude, help your boy out.
I always feel bad for quarterbacks like that. You got no line.
I mean, the Buccaneers was playing so good, though, man, both sides.
Oh, yeah.
It was like, man.
I love what Todd Bowles did with that defense. Held the Chiefs 9 points.
Yeah. Them boys is playing hard.
Hell yeah. Real quick, a little breakdown on this. I'm not gonna go I feel like you guys know where I stand when it comes to the daily, the weekly, the monthly. These key levels now, and if we look at the daily, obviously as we see, we're at a significant resistance over here with this wick that popped up into this area at 144.900. Actually, almost tapped 145 flat. And just shot down from there. And that was that Corona move. But if you look over here, price kind of gapped down yesterday as the market opened. And we got this bullish move right here where price came up from. And now it's forming resistance in that previous resistance over here, 144.900. If you want to see that one more time. There we go. See that? Perfect 144,900 taps. Now we're over here forming this resistance. And as you can see on the 1 hour, at least, the bullish trend has broken. So when you're in an uptrend and price creates this high, especially at a higher time frame resistance up here, you're just waiting for price to close below the trend line. You're waiting for the first support to be broken and retested right here. So price closed below this support on this, the 1 hour support. So technically you could put that right here if you want. But it's really in this zone over here like that. So you're waiting for price to close below. With this candle right here, came up, retested, never closed above, rejected. This candle came up, created its top wick. And as this candle came up, created its top wick and passed the low of this candle right here, you can enter your trade right there. Does that make sense?
Yeah, for sure.
This is a
Yeah.
this is like, you know, you don't want to call tops and bottoms. You want to be smart. But like if you were to, and this is a higher time frame resistance up here, and the uptrend is broken, you want to wait. You don't want to take it over here. You know, you want to be safe. You want to wait for that support to be broken and retested for you to take this down. That's picture perfect. You can have taken this right here on the 5 minute. Is this candle broke the low of this little support right here? Could have put your stop loss up here, 6 pips away. You're always looking for better entries, tighter entries, and you don't have to take them right now. What's up, Mana?
What's up? What's up? Good morning, man.
How you doing?
Good, good. What about you?
Great, man. It's actually my birthday today.
Yo, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, dude.
I appreciate it.
Yes, sir. How old are you?
27.
Oh, let's
Happy
go.
birthday, bro.
Exciting, exciting.
Weird to say. 27 years old. What's it called? Mana, I was just pointing out a trade. I actually posted it in our journal, collaborative journal on Trello. You got price at a higher time frame resistance up here, 144,900. If you go into your chart and look to the left, you'll see that that's a significant level where price rejected previously. We've also been in this bullish trend right here, as you see from that news. Price has just been in this bullish trend. It's at the higher time frame resistance. You wait for price to break and close below that bullish trend, and then you wait for the nearest support. This is a support on the 1 hour too. This is a significant support right here. Rejection here, previous resistance over here. You wait for price to break below and close below that support, retest it, and this is a picture perfect move right here. I put that.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is,
All right.
this is our new journal here as a team.
Yeah, I'm part of it. Yeah. Yeah.
And just so you guys don't have to do double the work, like you don't have to journal twice. All you have to do is, this is my original one where I made it into my journal, or my board. All you got to do is copy, and you go to what board do you want to copy it in, and it's this one, and then create card. You can keep. Oh, here we go. Wow, it's close. Keep everything, keep your labels, keep all that stuff. And then when it gets over to that other journal, just write your name in front of the title, just so everyone knows. Like Derek put his right here. This is Kiro's. Obviously, Kiro put the first one in there. He didn't know. But just keep it organized so everyone knows who everyone is. And then what I did here, if you want to give words of encouragement or let people know what you're thinking, you can add like a comment down here. Write a comment, and that's what I was saying to Derek's trade. This is a very good journal, very detailed. Wish he was on here so you could see that, but I'll let him know. So with GJ, all we're doing is waiting for either a support to form right here or for price to close below 144,580 for us to mirror this move down and continue bearish. I think price may, I don't know if it's going to come all the way down here, but could come right back down to this level over here to form support at 144, or it could come down to retest this level after creating this high. We got Justin in here. To create this high, it's kind of in that in this channel right over here. But like if it's not clear, if the resistance or maybe the support sometimes isn't clear for the downtrend or the uptrend, just don't put it on there. It's just like it doesn't make sense. But you see that price could be coming up to the high of this trend, right? So price is up here at its high. It's created its high. Maybe it's coming right back down to retest this support, form support over here, and continue up. Or what it could do is come down and then form support in this area right over here at 144 and then continue up to 145. And this will be our key level where we've seen this enough from last week and we're probably going to see it a lot this week. But this probably won't happen for another week or maybe towards the end of the week. But we've seen this enough where we can grab this on the lower time frames and retest this high. And you guys know how GJ works now. So, you know, if you've been journaling trades that you've been missing that you could have caught, you know, this is a perfect scenario, very similar to over here. All right. That's all we're looking for. Right now, EJ is a mess. Justin, what's up, buddy?
Hey, how you doing?
Good, man. How about yourself?
Good, thanks.
You watched the games yesterday?
Yeah, it was amazing.
Right, the game? Yeah, it's a pretty good one. Tom Brady.
He fucking made it again, man.
It's insane. There was a video of him, one of the players taking a video of him in the locker room, and he, like, everyone's celebrating with their champagne and everything. He's just packing everything up in his locker, like getting ready for next season. I love it.
God damn, man. Yo, during the game, he looked like he wanted to kill someone. He was so serious, man.
There
Of
he
course,
is.
it's the Super Bowl, but damn.
It is, man. And then he, like, just seems so sweet, like, off the field. It's just like a genuine dude. But, like, once he's on that field, that's how I used to feel. It's kind of weird. It's like you turn into a completely different person. Once you step on the field, it's like you just want to murder somebody. And then when you get off, it's just like, all right, game's over. That's it. But football, that's what football is. It's just legally just hurting people.
Yeah, for real.
Nothing like it. EJ, we just got a kind of a mess right here. We've been in, actually, we're breaking out of the mess, but if you look at the 15-minute, price is just, consolidating. I think it's going to gradually come up to 127, 250. But this isn't something that I want to be in. Like, this shouldn't be attractive to you as a trader. This should be kind of, I want to stay out of this. And then this channel coming up. And then gold is coming right back up. Where's this from yesterday? So with gold could very well be coming right back up to 1826, 270 to continue down to retest this low over here, form resistance to come right back down. Or as we've seen gold in this corrective state, this price is just coming down, honoring this trend line over here. It could have broken the bullish trend. Now it's starting to come up to either form this resistance over here and continue down to retest this low, or it can very well range over at this level, because obviously it's a key level, and then come right back up, right back into the range and retest this to come down and retest the low, maybe like that. Could be a couple different scenarios with gold, but we're prepared. We have this level right up here where price comes right back into the back into this higher time frame range. As we've seen on gold, price has been ranging in here for quite some time. But if we come right back up into the area, this is the 4-hour, form support in the lower time frames, we could come right back up to 1844, 1842.
GG starting to break that level, that support.
GJ?
Yeah, it is.
Nice. Okay.
Oh, what time frame did you use for that 144, like 470 level?
The trade I took, or the trade I journaled?
No, the 144, 470 level. It's the lower one you have.
Right here?
Just one below. This one. What time frame did you use for this one?
Oh, probably the 30.
Okay, you're on the 1 hour. I thought you were on the 30. Okay, yeah, I got the same. All right, cool.
Exactly. So we got this resistance support here. Price could end up coming right back down to fill this gap down. But I'm waiting for the close below, because we do have this support right here. This is on the 1 minute, and this is what's going to get a lot of people. A lot of people end up taking the sell right here, seeing the candles, the way they're performing right now, or the way they're printing. They just ignore this. They're like, you know what? I want to get my early entry, and I see price, ranging right here, form this resistance right here. Now it's passing the low of this candle, and they just end up entering, and then they get faked out. Price forms support. It could very well continue down to this area, but we're waiting for a little resistance to form right here, at least on the 5 minute, where we can grab this right down. And I don't think this is big enough of a range to trade, but our entry would have been up here for this whole move. And this can very well just continue down after breaking this bullish trend right here. This could very well just continue down into this area right down here. And this would have been my runner all day. I feel funny taking trades when we're not on live anymore. I guess I can, and I'll just call them out. I'll let you guys know what I'm doing in the Slack group. Semi-analysis and everything, obviously, but it's just not my time to trade. I monitor my pair. I look at GJ before I go to bed. I kind of map out where I think price is going to go, what it's going to do. I give myself a bias or two of possible moves that could happen. Then I wake up in the morning before I do my deck. I take a look at the chart, see what's going on, and I see that possible. When I woke up, price was right around here doing this retest, and I was waiting for this candle to close bearish. This candle then came up, and I was about to start my deck, and it was about to pass the low of this. So I went to my computer real quick to take a picture and everything of it, like a screenshot, and then I went right back to my deck. But it's just not really my time to trade. Based on what I've seen in the past, I know this is going to drop. But again, I just didn't want to take a trade when I'm not live with you guys. But I probably will end up just calling it out for you in the Slack group.
Well, shoot, you're not going to hurt our feelings if you take it. I mean, if you want to take it, dude, that's all you.
I guess, it was mainly last week, like our first week trading. I didn't want to be, there was one opportunity, I forget what it was, but I could have taken a trade right before a stream. It was literally the first stream. It was on EJ. It was on Monday. And I was like, what am I going to take my first trade before I even have them on? So I just held back a little bit.
I
Opportunity.
I actually took a pretty small position as GJ broke the 1 hour low. I'll take maybe a normal position once we all think there's a better entry, but
nice.
I did take one as it broke the 1 hour low with stops above the current 1 hour candle.
Good shit. The only thing is the 1 hour is a little overextended. Like it's just, it hasn't retraced at all. Over here, it's created its top wicks, definitely, but it's just kind of just shooting down. You could have very well sold at the low right here, especially at a support.
Yeah,
don't let me talk you out of a trade.
But that's a good point.
Stay with your confidence and everything, but just saying, be aware of that.
I like how there's pretty clean traffic, even on that gap candle, but more so on the candles to the left. I'm hoping we just get like 2 or 3 mirror candles to come back to like 144, 400. Yeah. So like if you flip to the 1 hour there.
Yes. Got it.
I just really think
so. This is like
could
an impulse entry for this move and this move.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So maybe targeting like 144, 400.
I like it.
So we'll see here.
It could either come right back down here and form support and start to range. But I've seen sometimes, when it breaks out of something like this and it's in such a bullish trend where price will come down to maybe like this support right over here, form support, and to start to range over here before it continues up, or it ranges here and wants to retap this higher time frame zone again and create maybe like a triple top before it starts to come down, or like a head and shoulders, I guess. But I see what you're doing there. With it, your stop loss is probably above this candle. So you have.
Yeah, I probably not even, I don't know, 0.5%. So
cool.
Nothing, I'm not thinking full risk. I think I agree that we wait to see if we can get a small support on the lower time frame and then maybe a break of that support to continue down. But just I've been trying to take trades off the 1 hour and just kind of see how that goes. So it's more of a small paper trade, but I also at the same time just kind of want to see how I might have to manage risk if it starts going the opposite way.
Absolutely. Now, this is the 30-minute, but this is, mapped out for your trade, right? So the impulse entry to the 1 hour. Okay. So what's your exit strategy with this?
So I'm thinking dropping down to the 15-minute. If we start pushing above 144, 600 back into this kind of wick range, I'll close 50. And then if this 15-minute candle breaks its own high, because my stops are technically above the prior 15-minute candle, which is the 1 hour high, I'll close probably 80% of what I have remaining. And then if we want to push above 144, 660, I'll just close the whole thing.
Awesome.
So really the first risk would be 144, 600, second close, 144, 641, close the whole position, 144, 665. So
nice. Perfect. So there you go. You know exactly what you're going to do.
Yeah, I'm just taking all emotion out of it if I can.
Oh, yeah. What's up, Rhett?
Yo, what's going on, bro?
How you doing, man?
Chilling, bro.
Keeping that hand steady though, right?
What's up?
I said keeping that hand steady though.
Oh yeah, always. You're good, man. Win or loss does not matter. It's a learning opportunity. Move forward. It's only Monday. Could make up the money. You risk like a
Exactly.
little bit. Dude, who gives a shit?
Yeah, exactly. That's what I was thinking. Just real small percentage. See
Oh
if it
yeah.
works out. Gain a little confidence.
Not gonna learn if you don't take it.
Yeah, exactly. There's always something good that can come out of it.
Yeah, 100%. So I'll do this one more time. I don't know if you guys were in here, but I've just been looking at this previous rejection. If you look to the left on the higher time frames, 144 900 is a very significant resistance over to the left. I'll just show you real quick. See this? Before the Corona drop over here, you had this right over here towards the end of February, tapping into 144 900, perfect rejection, and that's where we're at right now. But on the one hour, price has been in this bullish trend, pushing up into that resistance. Finally broke through that bullish trend line. All you want to do is just wait for the first support to break and retest right here. That's all you need. Break this support. You don't want to take it up here once price, just breaks out of that. Like that's a risky sell. You're in a range. But once price breaks out of that range, wait for that retest, get a perfect move down. And again, this is what I would have taken. I just didn't want to take a trade before hopping on the live with you guys. But just a little heads up. I was invited yesterday. I'd been invited since Friday to hop on the lives while Rakil's gone. What's it called? He's in Turkey right now, and there's a couple guys from the Forex family that are kind of covering the lives for him. And I've been invited on that, and I denied it so that we could trade live every day. And I didn't want to do that last week. Obviously, it's our first week, but this trade's looking good, James. But tomorrow we're gonna be on there. I'm gonna be, breaking down charts and everything, but that's gonna be the only day. And then Rakil's back on Wednesday. So I told him, I'm good for, one of these days. I'll just do like Tuesday, like the last day. But I just don't want to take anything away from you guys. But obviously, I'll be saying the same things that I do on here, on there. If you want to tune in to his YouTube. But that's going to be the only day that I won't be on here or won't be with you guys.
I mean, I figured are they still going to post a Zoom in the normal chat like they normally do?
I believe so.
Yeah, nice. I may just hop on that.
Yeah.
Are you gonna be on Sasha's stream tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's going to be the only day though. Like tomorrow is, I don't know if he's posting it in here, is he? No. Oh. Yes, he is. So it's in the market fluidity chat.
I think on the 5 minute, if we start breaking that last 5 minute high, I might close 50% at entry. Would you agree with that?
Yes. If it like even on the 15 minute, maybe not entry, but if it starts to come up into 144 500 or 600, back in the range, because it could very well be retesting. You can always lower your stop loss a little bit.
Yeah.
Actually, keep your stop loss where it is, but your exit strategy, mine would be, this is totally up to you, but mine would be if price came right up to 144 600.
Yeah.
Again, it could very well be coming up and retesting to continue down. And you just got the impulse entry instead of waiting for this. Actually, didn't you enter up here?
Yeah, right at the break of the 1 hour, previous 1 hour.
Oh, okay. So you did enter down there. Okay. For a second, I thought you entered right here.
I thought about that, but at the same time, that was right when you were saying like, yeah, we want to rate for price to close, and I was like, no, that's a good point. There's so many wicks over there. I'm gonna wait for
Look at all these
a higher
Support,
confluence.
resistance.
Yeah.
Multiple rejections. A lot of people. That's why a lot of people lose because they get in right here. But
I mean, this is a
good
pretty
trade.
bearish close. We should continue down. I just see if we get that retest.
You know what? Yeah, if I do see an opportunity in the morning, I'm gonna take it. And like this is like we would be on the live right now, and I would explain and walk through how I'm managing the trade, like how I'm securing down here, how I secured at 10 pips up here, maybe secured a little bit down here, or just move my stop loss to break even and then just let it run, get my 10 pips, and if it hits me at break even, that's fine. If it continues down, that's cool too. This is a situation where I would actually just leave my stop loss at break even right up here and just let it run because it's breaking this bullish trend and it's coming down from a higher time frame resistance up here.
Can y'all hear my typing?
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, it's all good. Though.
Okay. No.
Well,
I'm
Roy,
gonna be doing this for the next 2 hours, so I'm gonna figure something else out.
yeah, you get that. I don't mind it.
I'll be burning keys here in about an hour.
What a game, huh?
Oh yeah.
Just kidding.
Did I went to bed? Did the Chiefs end up scoring a touchdown?
No.
Wow, who would have thought?
Well, I don't know
Didn't
why
think
so
so.
many people were so high on the Chiefs. I was like, dude, I guess I took the whole Tom Brady thing like a little too seriously, but I was right. Like you don't bet against that dude. He's a great.
Dude, did anybody see him even break a sweat?
Yeah, no. Not at all. Could you guys see each other before? Now you can. Anyone?
Say that again.
Like, were you guys able to see this before?
What is this?
Like the video of everyone.
Oh yeah, I can see it. Like
Yeah,
the
I can see it.
webcams.
You can see it.
Yeah, I can. Yeah.
Can you see it now?
You mean on the stream?
Yeah, like you could see the videos of like you could see yourself right here.
No, I don't see it.
You don't see it. Okay, cool. So I'm just gonna. Now you can, right?
I
No,
can
don't
see everybody.
You can see everyone. Cool.
Oh, happy birthday, Stefano.
Nice, brother.
Yeah.
Appreciate it. 27.
I didn't know it was your birthday, bro. Happy birthday.
Thank you. Christian sending me private messages. Yeah, I guess that's a little misleading. No, I didn't take that. Christian, I don't know if you could hear me, but I was just explaining a possibility for James, and I was mapping out his trade. We could be getting a retest right here. James, where are you at right now with trade management? He's probably in his own head right now.
I keep going in and out on the train, so I can hear you a little bit, but
I was muted that whole time. I closed half at 144.577, which was basically at my entry.
Oh wow!
As the 5 minutes started pushing like slightly into drawdown. I just went ahead and closed 50.
Okay.
But so half the position still running.
Okay, good. Now if it starts, and your stop loss is up here.
Yeah, above the yeah.
So if we pass this candle right here.
I think I'll just close the whole thing.
Yeah.
So would be a 6 pip loss, but only on half my position. So
There you go, man.
not
That's
too
the stuff
shabby.
you embrace. That's the stuff you embrace. The risk management skill.
Yeah, it'll be pretty gnarly if this whole 1 hour candle flips bearish. Because we already have that wick at the bottom that it created, which sketches me out.
It could be creating its top wick.
Yeah, that's true. It'd be a heck of a top wick. We shall see.
Let me just answer these Slack messages on my phone instead of who else is in here? Oh, we got Cassie. What's up, Cassie? Wendy's in here. Awesome. Hope you guys are doing well.
I think my favorite thing about waking up this early and trading New York session is the sunrise. Every morning, you get to see just a badass sunrise.
See it nice over there, huh?
Yeah, I'm actually I'm looking right at the Smokies right now. It's just coming right over them. It's beautiful.
Wow.
Where you at, James?
I'm in Knoxville, Tennessee, so like right next to the Appalachian Mountains, the Great Smoky Mountain National Park. And
Nice.
I can see right over. Yeah, man, it's beautiful.
Sounds like
What
it.
oldest mountains in the nation, and they're
Cool.
really hills because of that, but still got a couple tall ones, but
Cool.
definitely not looking like the Rockies. More so just trees and over the
Nice.
tops of the hills. Yeah, it's nice.
What was your like theme song over at UT?
The theme song's called
Rocky
called
Mountain,
Top.
Tennessee.
Yeah, it's called Rocky Top. Yeah.
Yeah, Rocky Top, Tennessee. That's a great
Yeah.
song.
No, it's
Great, like rally song.
it is a great rally song. Yeah. It's actually not our what's the technical word for it? Fight, or it is our fight song, but it's not like the what's the word? Like the university, not anthem. It's like the unofficial fight song, I guess is technically how you want to say it. We have one from like the 30s that we technically still use.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
I know schools like Wake Forest and schools like that with tradition have all those like songs.
Yeah.
What was I gonna say though? Forgot. Oh yeah, is Peyton Manning considered like a god over there?
Oh yeah, dude. People treat if Peyton Manning walks in anywhere, like free meal, free drink, at least half a dozen photos.
Here, dude, here's my wife.
Yeah, he's like exactly. I mean, if Peyton Manning wanted to come be our next coach, I think everybody would be totally fine with that. But he would also potentially ruin his image here if he did that because of how terrible of a spot we're in. So I don't blame him for not.
Yeah.
So funny.
Yeah, it is. People live and breathe football here, man. It's pretty unreal.
Little bullish candle, huh?
What's up?
Nice little bullish candle.
Yeah, we got a little rejection over here for
Yeah, I actually closed. So could this be considered maybe a fake out to continue to like 144,800 if we break above?
yeah, if it closes back in this range,
Uh-huh.
we get the close above this area, could continue up. If you get like a little retest right here, could be ranging here, close above here, could get a nice little move up. I don't know if you want to trade in this range. Obviously, see this could be a fake out. Price could be coming right back up to retest 144,900. Guys that weren't in here, I broke this down and why this happened, but this is a higher time frame resistance up here. So we could be getting that triple tap of 144,900 before price continues down to come down and retest the higher time frame, because it created its high up here. So pretend that this is, I'm not going to draw it, but we got the bullish trend as price is just pushing up. But we also could have a parallel resistance of the bullish trend right here. We're not going to put it there because it's not clear. And I don't like putting trend lines on my chart when it's just not like clear. But it looks like it's coming up to the high of that bullish trend, right? Also, it's at a higher time frame resistance at 144,900. So we could be coming down right over here. We could be coming down to, it could be coming up to retest this again and then continue down to form support at this area, or even better yet, this was our previous resistance, 144 flat, where price could come down, form its support, maybe consolidate over here, retest this trend line over here, and continue up. And again, we saw this, we journaled this, we could have taken this, but this was news. But we see how every time price on TJ creates its high, comes down to form its support, and then retest that high. Could be doing the same thing right here. Come back down, retest this bullish trend right down here, or it could just come right back down to 144 and not retest that trend and continue up to retest the high. But we're looking for the highest probability setup. We are bullish, so that's what my bias is. But right now we could be bearish, continuing down to these levels, these little pit stop areas, 144, 200, 144 flat. Different things we need to stop at before getting there.
So I lost what, about 0.25% on that one, so not terrible. But I guess if you were to like 0.2% of the 0.5 that I risked,
so like you did 22.2%.
Oh yeah, no, that'd have been sad. It'd have been a sad day if that had been the case.
Monday.
So like I guess if you were to critique the trade, what would you say, Stefanos?
You managed that perfectly. And before or as soon as you told me you took that, we zoomed out to the 1 hour, and what did I tell you?
Too overextended.
It's a little overextended. You know, you don't have any retracements. You don't have a retracement right here on the higher time frame where it started to come down. Like the 1 hour is pretty overextended. It was a good trade. Like I liked what you were doing. I like that you saw this clean move to the left. You see this move right here from last night. And I get what you were doing, but what you did when it comes to risk management was perfect. Like I wouldn't have changed anything.
Nice. Okay, cool.
For me, I'm just, I was waiting for this retest right here. Maybe we do get the retest. Maybe we get a rejection of this area. We get a bearish close in a lower time frame, and we take this down to retest this low and continue bearish. But yeah, it was a great job managing risk, understanding. You weren't looking at the 5 minute, were you?
I did to close an entry, but then I got away from it.
Okay.
As that second 5 minute bullish candle started breaking the high, I just went ahead and tried to be impatient with losses, as we know.
Yeah. Now right here, we could be getting that either this is going to continue through this support right here, or price. This was a fake out. price closed back into this range right here on the 30-minute. It's a range because obviously you get this resistance up here, but we could get that close back in the range, retest this previous support to continue up, or if this closes below support right here, this could be a good indicator that price is going to continue bearish to retest this low and continue down. You see we're in a little downtrend right here. And that's why we look at the lower time frames. So just be mindful of it. You see our prices, it's got that bearish structure. And it's the same thing right down here from last week. Where before this move, we had the little bullish pressure right here. See that? And, last time this trend line was kind of down here a little bit, but I'm not going to mess with that right now. That's why you use the higher time frames. You just look in key areas. This is a very key area at 143. And you just look for that buyer pressure or that seller's pressure. And that's it. Looks like it's rejecting this area right over here. 720 right now.
Yeah, in hindsight, I probably should have left small runner. I keep talking myself out of that to
It's
hit
all
my
right.
full stop loss.
It's gonna come. Like you're just gonna, you're gonna get more and more confident with that, and you're gonna know that all right, I can't stay in this, or I definitely should get out of this completely. Just
Because
comes
we're
with
still respecting the previous 1 hour high. So maybe I should have left a small guy.
what we got.
All good.
See now right here, this could be a I love it, James. Thank you. Yeah, if you guys could keep just sharing your ideas, like if you guys are thinking about entering, part of me, I want to keep my discipline. I don't want to take any crazy trades in front of you guys, but as this candle came up to retest this area and pass the low of this candle, you can put your stop loss up here, anticipating price to continue to drop today, and this candle to flip bearish and continue right back down to this area over here, and then continue down here. But that's not a setup. That is pretty. It's good. That's not a setup you technically want to take. But I like how price is respecting this trend right here, and it's continuing down. But you know, we're gonna stay safe with those and not take anything stupid.
Yeah, I was looking at if that 15 closes bearish, I'd wait for like a wick up and then enter as it break the low. Now the low is starting to get a bit too low. The low of that 15.
Oh, right over here.
No, the 15 minute.
Oh, right here.
Yeah, no, the current one. I would have waited for
Oh,
it.
okay. So you're saying you would have gotten it up here?
Yeah, well, if it closed like under that zone,
Yeah.
I'd be waiting just for a wick up and then take sells. But the target is a bit too close, man.
Yeah. It's again, the play was up here.
Yeah.
The play was on the 1 hour. This bullish trend was broken with this candle closed below it at a higher time frame resistance. You waited for this support to be broken. This is a support on the 1 hour, by the way. You wait for that to be broken, closed below, comes up to retest, and this is your candle. And we would have had this runner going the whole time. Now I'm, keeping the FOMO out and completely shutting it out because part of me wants to get in over here, but I know I missed my move over here. This isn't a clean entry. This is the 15 minute. If this was the 5 minute and the 15 minute looked a lot cleaner, then yeah, maybe. But again, this is the 15 minute. Candles are printing sideways. We don't know if this is a fake out or not. We don't know if this candle is going to reject and close right back into the range. We don't know if it's going to close above this trend line and close above this support resistance up here to continue up here. We don't know. And you're never going to know, but you're going to know the higher probability setups. And this was a high probability setup. This is a low probability setup.
Yep.
And the more people hop into this thinking that they're going to get this, we could very well win this trade right now. We could very well hop into a sell as the 5 minute passed the low of this candle right here and hopped in a sell, hoping for the best. And we could very well win the trade. But the next time we take it, and the next time we take it after that, and we keep dwindling down our discipline and not listening to ourselves and taking trades we know we shouldn't be in. Remember my original journal, the bad wins, the bad losses, the good wins, the good losses.
Oh, yeah.
Those are wins sticking to my plan, or those are losses not sticking to my plan, the bad wins or the bad losses. So this would be, if I won this trade, this is a bad win. And you keep, it's the same thing with discipline in your personal life and with fitness and everything. You keep telling yourself you're going to do something, and the more you don't listen to yourself, the more you're not going to respect yourself and you're going to lose your confidence. It's the same thing in the market. The more you don't listen to yourself and you take stupid trades and continue to win them, you're going to continue to do that, and you're going to keep dwindling down your discipline, and then you're not going to be a profitable trader. But if you listen to yourself and you respect yourself and you don't take something like this and you just miss the trade, because I'd much rather miss a trade than either lose a trade or dwindle down my discipline for the future, kind of mortgage my discipline for the future. I guess that's a good analogy, but you don't want to keep doing that.
But I was waiting on the 15 to close though. I was not like impulsively entering. Or you were just doing that.
Yeah, what was that?
I was personally waiting on the 15 to close. Like I'm still waiting, but the low now is too low for me to enter.
Yeah, it's it technically isn't. Like, this is something that you could enter, but again, do you want to enter something where candles are printing sideways?
Yeah.
Do you want to enter a sell when the 30 minute is still bullish with a wick up here? Just hoping that it's going to flip bearish, which it looked like it very well could. And this could be a very huge liquidity wick on the 30 minute.
The way I see it is, if that 15 closes under there, the 30 would close under support as well, which would probably good entries under the low, but that target is too close.
Yep.
That's the thing.
Yeah, this isn't that big of a range either.
Yeah.
Right here. And this is
like, if we take the straight 50 times, I don't think we're going to come profitable.
I like what James was looking at though. He was taking this based off the 1 hour,
Mm-hmm.
and he took an impulse entry as price broke the low of this 1 hour right here, anticipating the clean move to the left. This candle right here to retest the low of this candle. I like what his thinking was, but again, he wasn't looking at this. He was looking at this. He wasn't looking at the fact that the 1 hour has been bearish since London. And normally when, you get pre-market coming in or pre-New York coming in, you get New York session coming in, you get a little retracement or maybe even a complete correction of the London move. So now we're just getting our retracement in pre-New York. New York's going to open in 30 minutes. We could very well, reject this area right here and continue down. But he managed his risk very well, and he didn't lose nearly the amount.
We live to trade another day.
Oh yeah, it's only Monday, dude.
All good.
I'm never ever in a rush at all to ever take a trade, but on a Monday, no rush.
No rush.
I've seen this before. I think price is just going to continue down, but it's just ranging. It's not ranging, but it's just, that's a big candle right there. Closing back in the 1 hour range. See, price is going to continue. It's going to create its top wick right here, and it's just going to drop. Anybody getting the back testing in this weekend?
Didn't get any done this weekend, but me and Jaden, we plan to backtest the whole month of February
Nice.
2020 and journal it on Trello.
Good shit. I heard you guys had a good one-on-one session.
Yeah. We settled a couple things to work on this week.
Good.
And that's it. I mean, pretty simple. Just get to know each other, set up a few things for this week, and that's it.
Love it, man. If you don't mind me asking, what are you guys working on this week?
He said he want to work on not over trading in the term of only trading is 3 pairs.
Okay.
And getting some backtesting done. And for myself, I don't want to miss any New York because it happens sometimes that I miss. Last week I missed Thursday, and I want to get some backtesting done. So that's pretty much what we worked on. Next week, because my MacBook screen broke, so now I have an old laptop to trade.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm waiting for my laptop to get fixed, and then next week we're gonna go over the trades on Trello and everything.
Good shit, man. Does anybody else need a partner? Like an accountability person that you get, you guys talk every Friday?
Yeah, I don't have one.
You don't have one, Rory?
No.
Let's see. Who can we pair Rory up with? Who doesn't have one? Alejandro and Giovanni are together. Oh, we don't have Giovanni this morning. I think I would love Cassie and Wendy, if you guys can get together or shoot each other a DM real quick. I think you guys would really get along. You're both in the same time frame. One is in Taiwan, I believe, or Thailand. I forget where Cassie was. Either one of those, but actually I have it right here. Now I want to get it right. Where was Cassie from? Taiwan, that's right. So yeah, Cassie's from Taiwan and Wendy is from wow, now I'm drawing a blank. Taiwan, sure. Yeah, shoot each other a DM. I think you guys would really get along. Really be able to help each other. Wendy's a super disciplined kid and really pushing for something, and he's coming over from market fluidity, I believe. But I think you guys would really benefit from working together. Rory, I'm gonna find someone for you as well. Maybe Rhett.
Okay.
Well, you weren't you talking to somebody? Or you were talking about Jaden, right? But Jaden was already with Mana. All right, we'll figure something out.
I mean, we could do it. I don't mind. We could hop on a call like with Rory as well.
You do like a 3-way kind of thing.
Yeah, that could work.
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
I'm up for that.
Yeah, perfect. We do it on Friday. It depends on the time. I think Jaden works. We settled it for 10 a.m. on Friday. What's your time zone?
What I'm in Pacific. I'm in the same time zone as Jaden, Pacific Standard Time.
Okay, cool. All right, so we plan on doing it on 10 a.m. But last Friday we did it like at 2 p.m. I think. So
What time? Where are you?
Eastern time. So I mean, I have this. Yeah, I'm Eastern time. So I'm 3 hours after you guys. I think it's 7:30 here.
So you guys are doing it at 7:30 a.m. Friday mornings?
10 a.m. Oh well, 7 for you. I think 7 a.m. for you.
Right. Okay.
All right,
Wait, you guys all get
I'll
on like
shoot
a
you a
group
DM
call?
anyways on Friday.
Okay.
You're saying you guys all get on like a group call?
Yeah, last time we did it on Instagram because I couldn't use any laptop, but
Sure. I
we
like
just
it.
do it on. Can we do it on Zoom or you have to pay to host meetings?
No, you can do it on Zoom for free. You just have a 40-minute time limit. I bought Zoom, so I subscribed to it so that we could have unlimited time on here.
Okay, good. All right. How much is it?
Zoom?
Yeah.
I forget what I paid. I think it's like 19 a month, something like that.
All right, it's not bad. All right,
This
cool.
is 6 months. Look at this. What did I just say?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna come up, create a stop wick, and pass the low of this candle right here.
Sweet
Now,
testing that zone right above.
risky sell would be right here. 5 pip stop loss. But again, we're not taking that. So I'm gonna get rid of this. Getting all these texts for my birthday. EJ starting to break out. A little bit. You don't want to trade in any of this. James, I'm sure you're staying away from EJ right now.
Yeah, I was looking at it this morning, but I
Not
like
worth it.
GJ better. Just watching it. It's choppy.
Not worth it. Now, is there anybody that trades gold?
I know Jaden does.
Jaden does. So we could be getting this support forming over here and tap of the bullish trend over here on the higher time frames. But then again, price broke this a couple times. So are we over here? And that looks more like it. All right. But we could form support right here to continue up to 1824, which is what I'm looking at. This is the setup I like. Yeah, when you guys are labeling your charts, simple, one sentence, nothing crazy. You don't have to put a paragraph in there. So Rory, do you feel confident with MetaTrader right now
Mhm.
and TradingView?
Yeah, I just got to get some more reps in on TradingView.
Of course.
Trading View is one of those things where you always figure something new. You always find a new tool, a new shortcut, a new thing. Yeah, there's so many features to it. It's awesome.
100%. What's up, Jaden?
What up, bro?
How you doing?
Happy birthday, man.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it. How'd you know? What did you see my story?
I had it written on my whiteboard for a while.
Oh, wow. Good shit. Appreciate that. Do you do that for a lot of people?
Just my friends.
Appreciate that. Means a lot.
Gotcha.
I don't know if you saw in the Trello, I added a possible sell on GJ before. It would have been before our trading session. I was telling them that I'm gonna start doing this, but there was an opportunity on Monday of last week. Obviously, that was our first live session. I didn't want to take a trade without you guys, so I held back there. But this morning I was gonna take a trade, but I held back because I didn't want to do that. But what I'm gonna do is just take the trade, and like right now, I'd be managing it. Like right now, I would be walking you guys through how I'm managing the trade. And it looks like GJ's doing exactly what I said. So as you see here, 144,900, strong resistance here on GJ. Price was in this bullish trend, broke below the bullish trend, broke and closed below this support right here, retested it, and came down perfectly. My entry would have been as price formed its top wick over here. And then this candle right here, past the low of this candle. Good talk. He just walked away. So you guys see what I was talking
I
about?
was paying attention. Sorry.
Nah, it's all good. See what I was talking about with this?
I lost my phone and I think GJ is about to go down, so I'm trying to find it.
I know.
Well, the 1 hour's turning out how I wanted it to, but dadgum if that retracement wasn't gnarly.
Yeah. I didn't enter this, guys. I'm just journaling the trades I should have taken, or I would have taken. We went low risk right there. Right back into this. You guys like this idea with the Trello?
Yeah, I love Trello, man.
Yeah.
No, I'm saying the collab Trello.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah, no, that's genius.
Good shit. 15-minute. Is this 15? Yeah.
So if you save an image and you paste it in description, it just uploads onto Trello.
Yeah, like if
Shit.
if you just take this, copy image, paste it right here, automatically comes
Damn.
up.
All right. You just saved me a lot of time, man. All right, cool.
Absolutely. Ah, man. Looks like I missed gold. Right over here. Would have been impulse entry as price past the high of this candle. Stop loss right down here. Take profit right up here. See, this is where it gets difficult. Like obviously I'm a little bit more experienced of a trader now, but even being experienced, looking at multiple pairs at the same time, it's just there's a lot going on, and you just got to be aware of that. And if that's the game you're going to play and you want to be trading multiple pairs, I choose to do that because I understand these pairs now. But just know it comes with missing trades sometimes, just because you're looking at other pairs, and I don't know. There's a lot that goes into it, so just be aware of that when you're trading multiple pairs.
Yo, Steph,
What's up, buddy?
I just want to make sure I'm looking at it right. So what I'm looking at is that previous 15-minute on GJ. I'm seeing that it closed below that previous support.
Mm-hmm.
And then if this current candle makes that top wick and passes
Mm-hmm.
the low of the previous, would that be a good entry?
You got this. You're in a range right here. If you look to the left, you got this support that was formed, and these wicks that came in, resistance over here. So this is like a tighter range. If you got this, as I was saying, I mean, you could enter right now where this candle is retracing a little bit, but again, you're in this range. It's a little hairy, could go lower risk. Anticipating price to come down, but you got to look at the time too. It's almost the New York Open. Like, is New York Open? We're consolidating a little bit right here. Candles are printing sideways. Is price consolidating a little bit and then forming support to continue up?
Yeah.
So
I'm a watcher.
wait.
I mean, I'm not completely confident, so I'm not gonna take it.
You just gotta ask yourself: is this a setup you normally would take?
No.
Exactly. This is a setup you would normally take, right?
Yeah.
For now, when you're not confident yet, or you don't know your pair inside and out, and you're kind of new, stick with these setups and build the confidence. At some point you'll be confident taking stuff like this. So if I took this trade right here, I would have closed 50% already, coming right back to my take profit right back to my entry.
Okay.
But there's a reason I didn't take this, because it's a mess and it's before 8 o'clock. I knew this would happen. I had a good idea price would create its top wick and then pass the low of this. Sometimes when I see this, price just continues just dropping. But right now, since it's not, it's coming back up to retrace. It's in a little consolidation. That's why I stayed out. Look at this.
She's pumping.
Yeah, I'm thinking about the trade I took this morning, thinking kind of what you just said. Would this be a trade you take? And not that I haven't taken impulses off the 1 hour before, but my trading plan really is make price making a lower or a high, creating support and resistance to retest the lower high, and that definitely was not the case in that trade.
Right? Like that's again, you'll feel confident entering those. Just give it time. Give it, a couple weeks.
Yeah.
But for right now, just stick with your plan. Stick with what you're doing. Stick with what you're confident in. This is the trade I missed on gold because I was looking at GJ. That happens. I'm kind of kicking myself. This would have been a nice little birthday push on gold. Grab this before the New York Open. Done for the day. That's simple. Damn. So who in here is like pumped that it's Monday? Like we got all week to make money. Weekend we can't make money unless we're trading crypto. But other than that, we can't trade, and it sucks.
Dude, Doge was so.
I want to eventually get into crypto, but
I got into Doge last night, Jaden. I was
at what price?
I'll tell you in a second.
Is Rory on here?
Yeah, Rory's on.
You got an Ethereum, didn't you?
Yep.
Did you look at the chart?
Not this morning.
Looks like it's starting to push up again.
Good. When you thinking of selling? Do you know yet or not yet?
I'm gonna look for it to start forming resistance around probably 3K at the end of the month.
Nice. That'd be sweet.
That would be sweet.
That would double up for me.
Yeah.
Jaden, I got in at 72046. Right when that support was forming last night.
Oh, gotcha. I know, it was anticlimactic. I was really hoping the Super Bowl was going to play that commercial.
Yeah.
Yeah, never did.
I know. I was hoping too. After we got $100.
See?
Damn, nice call.
Nice little birthday grab. That's all good. 25 pips. So what I'm starting to do with my trading too is, I'm getting more and more comfortable waiting longer to secure as well, especially on gold because gold just pushes. But, instead of just securing at 10 pips, which, you should always be doing, especially in the beginning. But eventually, I'm just giving you a little preview of where your confidence is going to get you, where you can wait to secure a little bit, especially if you know your pair. Sometimes at GJ, I'll secure a 15 instead of 10. and focus more on the level, the next zone that price is going to approach, instead of, in the middle of the zone, price is pushing a heavy volume push, and all of a sudden, you secure 10 pips for no reason, just because you want to get your 10 pips, which is perfect. That's all you need. And if you keep that in your mind, 10 pips a day, that's all you need. But eventually you're going to get to the point where you can hold on a little bit. But you got to know your pair. You got to back test. You got to get comfortable with that.
On that gold trade, could you have taken an entry as price broke the 30-minute high of that bearish candle?
Yes, right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I could have. I wanted that entry right here with this rejection wick right here, 1818. Close bullish. This price past the high of that. This would have been it. Yeah, very well though. You could have 30-minute. It just would have been a wider stop and a wider entry. Do you have enough room to play up here for that to be your entry right here? That's the question. Like, you have to get the 1-to-1 because your stop loss is all the way down here. See, my entry on the 5-minute, as you can see, is price kind of faking out on the 5-minute. But as price closed with a strong bullish candle on the 5-minute, it's not that strong, but another bullish candle close. This candle passed the high of this candle. You got no in here. So this would have been at. What's up, Noah?
Doing a more in-depth journal is definitely helping me with not over trading because I can't. What?
Which in-depth journal?
Just journaling more in depth in general, because I would it forces me to slow down and click all the things off my checklist and write everything out, so I can't just keep taking trades.
Yeah, man. With it's funny because it works both ways. I've explained this a lot, but so it keeps you disciplined, where if you tell yourself every single day, I'm going to journal every single trade I'm going to take, that makes you not overtrade because you don't feel like journaling those. Journaling is tedious. It gets annoying sometimes, but actually a lot of times it gets annoying, but it's good for your trading health. But if you know that you're going to journal every single trade, you're not going to end up taking 3 or 4 trades in the session because you have to journal all of those.
Right.
And then it goes the other way where it's like, I don't know, if you're not journaling all of them, and then you're over trading anyway, and then you don't learn from those trades. It's just like, journaling really helps you when it comes to over trading.
You Bitcoin fellas, we're at all-time highs now.
Wow.
We're flying. The last 30-minute candles just
Holy shit.
Just a rocket. Yeah.
Yeah.
Holy shit, that is flying.
It is.
That's gonna hit 50K soon.
Damn.
On the weekly, just looks really pretty. Just created a high, created support, wick to fill. Just easy.
Ethereum's doing the same.
Hell yeah. I like that.
I have a paper trade in from 34K, and I'm kicking myself that I should have actually put money in on that. Is what it is.
I just want to give some of you guys a heads up that weren't in here. What's it called? As you know, Rakil is in Turkey, and Sasha and Kerwin, there's a couple of people that are keeping the streams up while he's gone till Wednesday, and they invited me the past couple of days. I just told them, I had you guys that I wanted to be trading with you, but I told them I would hop on the last day on Tuesday to trade with them. So if you guys want to pop in, and that's where I'm going to be tomorrow. But other than that, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we're all going to be together. I'll be calling out everything, same thing I do in here, doing the same exact thing so that you guys get the same insight. It's not much different. It's just we're not going to be on here together.
You take any trades today yet?
No, I was explaining the fact that, like, once you get a little bit more experience, it is okay to trade multiple pairs. It's cool to, if you know gold, if you know GJ, if you know EJ, these different pairs and the way they move. You have one main pair, but you know the other pairs. The only issue with it, no matter how experienced you are, you're gonna have that difficulty going back and forth between pairs. And I was stuck explaining GJ right here and missed my entry on gold, which is like GJ. My main entry would have been here on the 15-minute. I put it into our Trello. Would have been as price formed this top wick right here. Broke the 4-hour, or actually the 1-hour bullish trend over here, where price was just pushing up. Came up to 144.900, a main resistance, higher time frame resistance, where price just shot down from there. We waited for price to break and close below this trend line, but we also waited for the main close was below this 1-hour support and a retest. And that's the optimal entry right over here on the 15-minute, where we got that bearish close. I didn't want to take this because I didn't want to take one before we were on the charts together, but I'm going to start now because I've already missed 2 trades doing that. I'm just going to break it down for you guys during the live stream. And right now I would have been just walking you guys through managing the trade, like how I'm managing risk and moving my stop loss, all that stuff. So that's a benefit to you guys too. So if I do see a trade in the morning that I want to take, I'm going to take it, and then we'll go from there.
Honestly, you could throw it in the New York session chat too if you wanted to, just to let people know if like they want to.
That's
an analysis, hop in.
The issue was me waking up, and I was about to start my my deck. And then what I did was I checked my phone real quick right before that or right around that time to see where price was at after last night going to sleep. And I saw, the breaking close right here. This candle just closed at the time. It was around 4:30, and I was waiting for a bearish close right here for me to take that. Then when this candle came up, didn't pass the high of this candle, ended up coming back down to flip bearish and pass the low of this candle. That's where I would have entered. I have the whole thing right here, so you guys can see this. See that? Put your stop loss up there. This would have been the re-entry, but yeah. It's a daily 4-hour. Wait for price to break that support. Comes down. Ends up retesting. And then your entry is right there. Came back after my deck to draw all that for you. But
Tesla accepted crypto. Look at that. Tesla invests 1.5 billion in Bitcoin and expects to accept crypto as payment, sending the digital asset to a record high. Well, that's what created that push this morning.
That's crazy.
Freaking Elon, man.
He loves the pump and dumps.
Yeah.
Did you get that from Bloomberg?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
He's changing the game. It's amazing.
Yeah, right? I like him a lot.
Did you guys check news? What's up with news today?
Not much.
Yeah, no, we're not gonna get much for especially GJ until Wednesday, but got a couple things coming in. Investor confidence expected to be good for the euro. That came out at 4:30, but the numbers haven't come out yet. February 8th. Look at that rejection on gold. That's what I'm talking about. So we got the New York Open. We have support forming right here. 144, 500. That's my cousin real quick. See, we might be getting a similar, what happened with GJ, break of this channel, retest. If we get bearish confirmations, could take this thing down. But do you want to trade in something like this? Could lower your risk and take this. Let's check all time frames on EJ. Got a strong bearish rejection right here, 127, right over here. I want to know what Noah's thinking. Noah, you looking at anything right now? Guess not. Oh shit! Here we go. Who's from the UK here? I know we have
Lee.
no UK.
Oh,
I know we have Lee, but Lee's at work, I think. I guess Derek is working too.
Rhett snuck out. Huh?
Rhett wasn't feeling too good, I guess.
Oh yeah.
Jaden, I'm glad you and Jacob had a good call. That's awesome.
Yeah.
A little accountability session. Whew.
Just checking to see if he was on here.
Yes, sir.
I'm here.
Keep pushing him, man. I like that.
Yo, and Jaden, we're gonna get Rory as well next Friday.
Yeah.
Oh, he's with us now. Cool.
Yes, sir. Are you still good for 10 a.m.? I mean, 10 a.m. Eastern, so 7 a.m. your time.
Yeah, that's fine.
All right, cool.
Unless you want to do it earlier.
Oh, that's perfect for me.
Pretty much right after we hop off this, huh?
Yeah, that could be even better.
Yeah.
Yeah, makes sense.
Did you fix your screen?
Nah, man. I had a whole problem with my Apple ID because you need to have an Apple ID to set up an appointment to get your screen fixed. So I had to get my Apple ID fixed. I couldn't go in store to get an appointment. They wouldn't let me in without an online appointment or some shit. So still struggling.
That's lame.
Yeah, all because of that COVID thing, man.
I can't believe how it cracked. That's so weird.
Yeah, that little booklet.
I will say it's pretty fun to like come on here and everybody bounce ideas off each other as opposed to kind of sitting on the live streams
Oh,
with
yeah.
market fluidity and kind of sitting in silence.
Yeah, man. It's exciting for you guys because you're here at the ground floor, and you're like part of the team. So it's gonna be cool when like more people come in and you guys are like leading the bunch. Like you've already been here, and it's gonna be cool. But I'm like I said, you're gonna see some people start to trickle in a little bit, but I'm not doing any kind of like big intake or anything until like you guys are set. Like you guys are comfortable with the way you're trading. It's starting to get more and more confident. I'm not doing any kind of like big intake until or like the next group that comes in until you guys are pretty confident with the way you're trading and you're happy with what you guys are doing.
Cool.
I forget, Roy, do you have the simulator?
No.
Um,
Does
Yeah.
everybody got it? Is it like it's pretty essential, huh?
yeah, it's
Okay, I'll get it.
only $100.
Alright.
Tax write-off. You got your LLC, right?
Not for trading.
Not for trade, yeah, but like you can use it for that,
Okay.
right? And then and that's I mean, Soft4fx is amazing for any kind of trader's growth.
Cool.
See why we didn't get involved with this shit? That's what I'm talking about. This was the move. And I'd be managing this right now, but you don't want to get FOMO from this move. Want to hop in and then get into this consolidation shit. Got a little breakfast at my desk right now. My birthday.
Y'all got to invest in some blue light glasses for how much we stare at screens.
Right?
I know. Who I saw a commercial last
Someone
night.
post
Who
a link
was it?
for a good pair or something.
Oh, it was a Tom Brady commercial for blue light glasses.
Was it?
Yeah, and I bookmarked the website. I might get them.
Yeah, sometimes I'm like, damn, it feels kind of hard on my eyes from looking at these screens so much.
Especially this early.
Yeah.
Christopher Kloss. Yeah, there we go. Can you see this? Pretty boy.
If you guys have a pair that you really like, post a link. In
I think I got these on Amazon. I just got like the highest rated ones on Amazon. I can't remember what the brand is.
Okay. And the lens is kind of a blue tint.
Yeah,
Nice.
I think.
These are expensive. Jaden, what was the brand?
I don't know. Wait, I might know. WS. That doesn't really help.
WS Blue Light.
What's the button in Trading View that shows that green profit range?
The
What's the
what?
tool in Trading View that on your chart that shows the green profit range?
Oh, it's the P&L tool. So you got the long position one and then the short position one.
Okay, cool.
Um, I'm gonna add this to my cart. I don't know. There's a couple pairs I like here. Yeah, I'm just gonna get these.
Remember, I posted a link of the ones I got 1 or 2 years ago.
Oh,
Go
okay.
check
Cool.
them out.
Do you like them?
Yeah, for sure.
Nice.
Nice, buddy. Blue lights are on their way.
There you go.
I feel like an influencer. I should have had link in my bio.
Yeah, dude. What the hell? Missing out on money here.
Next week, everybody's gonna be coming in with blue light glasses. We gotta be geared up.
I know we should all get the exact same pair, so when people come on, they know like what group it is. We got all like circle ones.
Oh God.
Yo, when's the merch coming?
Hell yeah. Get some hats.
Yeah.
It's got a pretty dope logo.
Fuck yeah.
What's up? What's up? What do we got here? Oh, mana. Nice. Oh, cool. I like
All right,
the
man.
style
I
of
just
these.
put them too.
These are the ones I just bought.
The link mana put.
No, these. Just because they come with 2 pairs, and I'm just gonna give one to Meg because she's always on her computer.
Nice.
2 for 20, not bad. I got the matte black and the silver.
Not bad at all.
Yeah, that looks like a better deal, to be honest.
What'd I get? Black and black, black and leopard, black and gray. These are the 2 I got. I could switch them up every now and then.
Nice.
Switch up the style. Oh, I didn't post this yet. You publish this? Onto the course. There we go.
Yeah, I missed that call. Is there a set time for the Sunday Zooms?
Yeah, well, the set time for Sharma and I on the Instagram lives is normally 12, so I was gonna do it at like 1:15 and hop on with you guys right after. So ours yesterday was 1:15, but Sharma and I had to change it up for the Instagram live to yesterday night or last night. So, but it's normally going to be at 1:15 on Sundays.
Perfect.
Elon would do that on a Monday.
What did he do?
44,000.
Ish.
Damn.
There it goes.
Should have got in.
Who's that, Christian?
Yeah, I said should have got in.
Yeah.
Nah, I'm not ready for crypto. Yeah, not just yet.
Master the Forex game first.
Yeah.
My opinion, the best thing you can do is take your Forex profits and hodl cryptocurrency with it.
You're saying just put it in the Bitcoin?
Yeah, or Ethereum.
At least like 20 or 30% of your trading profits. Yeah, it's a good idea.
Oh yeah.
I love the move that Jaden has made with the completely cancel traditional banks. It's a ballsy,
Gonna happen.
but I like it.
It's gonna happen
That too.
whether we want it or not.
Mm-hmm.
Might as well hop on board, right?
Mm-hmm. I like it.
I watched this scary video that was posted on Reddit like in 2012 or something, and it was this guy who's like, "I'm from the future. I'm from the year 2025, and I don't really have any way for you to believe me, so you don't have to if you don't want to. But I'm just gonna say what's going on right now." And he talks about how cryptocurrency took over, and he started laying out the price at which it doubled, and what year it doubled at. And keep in mind that, like I said, it was in 2000 whatever 12 or something, and he was predicting the prices to the T that started happening like within the last few years.
Wow.
And he said like the free market crashed, and anybody who like owned Bitcoin is like under attack because it's the only means of purchasing anything, and so people are like torturing people for their ledgers, and I don't know, it was a scary video.
Damn. Send it to me.
Yeah, I want to see that. Put it in the chat.
Check that one.
Right there.
We're at 31,000 on US 30.
Does anybody trade US 30?
I look at it more so for like the indice effect of it, and just to see where the market's at for gold or any other kind of pair. DXY.
Or they correlate?
Same reason.
I used to try to trade it, and then I lost $2,000 in 5 minutes while I was taking a shit, and I haven't touched it.
Damn.
Man. See the The
Go
dollar has
for it.
been at 8-week highs right here since the end of November. It hasn't been this high, but now it's starting to react to this bearish trend line. So are we getting a fake out right here to continue bearish? Maybe retest this area if it closes below this trend line, and we get a nice sell right here on the DXY. This is the daily though. Yo, does anybody know a good shirt manufacturer or like clothing manufacturers?
American Apparel is not bad.
And you can make your own shirts and stuff?
Yeah,
I want like high quality stuff though.
good quality. Yeah,
Okay.
but look around because the fits might be different. You want different fits maybe,
Yeah.
but that's I'll see if I could ask around.
Okay.
All right, fellas, I'm about to head out. I'm still gonna be listening in though. Happy birthday
good,
again,
buddy.
Steph.
Thanks. Thank you. I appreciate it, man.
All right, bro. All right, y'all.
Have a good day at work, all right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we don't have much going on. Great news is it's Monday. Got plenty of moves to happen this week. A lot of volume going to be pumping in GJ and by Wednesday with Bailey speaking.
And do you think that'll be good or bad for GJ?
Depends if he drops anything when it comes to interest rates and stuff like that. It's just like him speaking at a dinner. Let's take a look at it. Yeah, and Powell is speaking, within 2 hours of him, which is kind of crazy. So we might get some volume coming in. Yeah, let's see. Where is it? Yeah, due to speak at the Mansion House dinner in London. So he might, obviously interest rates are number one when it comes to foreign exchange, but he could be dropping any kind of hints when it comes to that stuff. So we might get some volume with that. Also, we got CPI on Wednesday as well for the U.S. market, so we might get some volume on gold. We always have volume on gold, but we might get some moves on gold. People like Roy, the red folders, these are high impact news. You went through the course already though, so you would know this, but we're paying attention to orange folders and red folders.
Okay.
Yellow folders, not so much. You could take a look at it. You could record like what what you think when it comes to that stuff, and record these. Like if you click on these, and it gives you a little rundown of what you think or what they think is going to happen, what this event actually is. Start recording this in like a database and stuff, and then record. Go back in history, go back onto the charts, and look at what happened previously during that. And record what happens during the reaction to the news. What happens 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes after that news event. That's what you want to trade. That's where you're going to get your volume, and it's not so much of a gamble.
Right. That's the question: is how does it affect your trade, right?
Exactly. So, history repeats itself. You want to see, did price drop? Did it just spike up real quick and then retrace a little bit? Did it correct the whole move? Does it correct the whole move 3 times out of 5? You just want to look for different probabilities when it comes to your setups and your pair. I got to use the bathroom real quick. So, excuse me.
Mana, where are you at?
Montreal.
Nice. You guys got snow?
Yes, a lot of snow. It's getting
You
cold.
had a pretty good storm recently, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, it's crazy here, man.
Damn.
The winter is it's a whole different thing, especially driving, man. Like,
Oh,
I don't know, did you ever drive in like a snowstorm or some shit?
I mean, not much, no.
No, like it's crazy because there's no lanes. It's just snow all over the place. So people don't really know where to go if you don't know the place, you don't know
Dang.
what lane to pick. Like it's a different environment, definitely.
Yeah.
But hey, it's fun.
Yeah.
Rory, how long have you been doing real estate for?
2 years.
Oh, damn, nice. Had a question, like what's the thing that adds the most value to a house?
As far as like upgrades or repairs,
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, upgrades and repairs.
kitchens and bathrooms.
Kitchens and bathrooms. Adding like, okay, all right. Got it.
Yep. And then just,
That's my whole plan, getting a house where I can add value to it.
yeah,
later
man.
on.
Get a house with good bones, and then the work is just the like minor things, but a good structure.
Okay.
Yeah.
I flip houses, and one of the biggest things is when you can turn the room that's not a room and get an egress window in there and turn it into a room.
Damn, I didn't know you flipped homes, Jaden.
Yeah, I run a painting business, but during the winter, oftentimes my boss will buy a house and we'll flip it together.
Hell yeah.
That's awesome.
Fresh paint, recessed lights, nice tile or wood floors. People like that stuff these days.
Yeah, the laminate click-in flooring.
Yep.
I installed those before. I love it.
Those nice grays and whites.
Those click-in floors. Normally kitchen and bathroom.
Hell yeah.
What a miss on gold.
Yeah, I'm in that. I'm in buys.
Nice. Good stuff. Where'd you get in?
Like 18.25.9. It's like 10
Okay.
minutes ago.
You get this impulse entry right here.
Yeah, a little bit higher. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I got it as it was breaking out. Yeah, I got it on like the 5-minute.
Stop loss above here or below here or here.
I'm giving it a healthy stop right now at like 18.22.7. So like kind of right below the 15-minute with like a little bit of slippage room.
Yeah.
I secured 15% at whatever this was, like 18, 19 pips or however this runs. And I'm gonna let the rest run.
Nice. I thought you were gonna tell us when you were taking trades.
My bad. I've got like 3 different things going on right now. I'm still trying to balance
yeah,
doing
work
this
right
with work too. Yeah, I'm working. I've got the whole 2 computer setup running now too, 2 keyboards, 2 mouses. It's fun.
Dear
But
Lord.
the magic keys helps with execution, because last week I was typing orders on my work laptop, like on the keyboard, trying to put stuff onto MT4 on my other computer, and it got confusing.
End up entering the wrong trades and
Oh no, I'm just typing like 1827 into an Excel sheet on my work computer instead of into my MT4.
just make sure that you, instead of
Nothing.
the space bar, you're not using open trade
Yeah.
on Magic Keys.
Yeah, I really only use 2 buttons. That kind of scares me after last week with your gold trade, although it played out.
Oh, I know. Yeah, that literally was the second time that's happened in my trading career.
Yeah, that's wild.
But I mean, it's not like it was a setup that I didn't like. You know, the calc was set up in an area that I wanted to take the trade, but I was more concentrated on GJ. Ended up opening the calc on GJ, trying to think I was opening the calc on GJ, and open trade on gold. Well, I guess
Yo,
I'm in.
Jaden, I got a question for you. Do you know how to get the gold minis onto like your MT4 on the computer? I like can't figure out how to add symbols on here.
You say gold minis?
Yeah, because you have to trade like the mini lots, but they're not on like. Yeah. So like I trade them off my phone, and I can like manage the trade on my computer once it's open, but like I can't put any like visual stuff. I don't have a chart for it on my computer, for one thing.
Yeah, I have no idea, man.
Yeah, it's weird.
No, I missed both.
And the other weird thing too is I was talking to somebody who has the actual account, and she said that she doesn't have any minis. Like her gold and her S&P pairs are all like standard lots. Kind of worries me a little bit.
Yeah, I saw how like some people were having to put like 100 standards.
Yeah, like I'm trading a 50 right now.
Really?
Yeah.
Can't align it perfectly where it only shows this candle, but it doesn't show this one. But you guys can see my screen, right?
Wait, what's going on?
Can you see EJ right now?
Why is there like a black box?
I'm gonna tell you in a second. So price was in this uptrend right here on EJ, broke out of it, closed below. I was waiting for it to close below this support. And if you look, you know, this looks like a perfect setup where you could take this to continue down, but we're in this range, and that's why I didn't take it. And then this ended up happening, as you guys could see. This didn't play out too well, like I was trying to show you guys, but whatever.
Just use the rewind tool.
I don't pay for trading view since I have Soft4fx. I might end up getting it. I always go back and forth. I think I've gone back and forth like 3 times with them. Like got it because I wanted it, used the rewind tool, then canceled it because I didn't feel like having it. Like I didn't need it because I was on Soft4fx, and then got it again when they had a sale.
It's for teaching purposes since you're doing this now.
Yeah, no, that's why I'm gonna do it. Here. I'll do this. That way I can have the multiple screens up here. Little life hack for you. If you don't buy TradingView and you want to be able to look at all time frames at the same time, open up 4 different internet windows and have TradingView in each corner. So I put the 4 hour down here, the 1 hour, the 30-minute, and the 15-minute up here. And just gives you the view of all of them if you don't feel like paying for this. But
another hack that I learned is you can just do like the trial month and then cancel your card and then just keep doing that every month. So
Yo, they
good.
got me
telling
though.
them.
They got my IP or something because I started doing that and they started just taking away the trials. They would just bump me back down to the normal.
Oh, really?
Kind of whack, yeah. It only worked for me for like 1 month, but right now they're actually doing 50% off on all the plans. So if you get like the yearly, like if you want 4 screens and you get the Pro Plus, it's only like $150 right now for the whole year. So 50% off. So
Also, they always run a discount on Black Friday. I always buy like a yearly subscription
Maybe.
on Black Friday.
yeah. But yeah, it's 180 for the whole year. If you want just like the basic Pro plan, it's 89 for the whole year. It's pretty cheap. I'll try to send this link. But I think after they took away my trial because I already used it, they sent me this link for the discount.
I just want to make sure that I can get like on these indices. You see this indice like I think it's DXY. DXY I can only get the daily on the free version, right? I want the 30-minute, I want the 15-minute, the 1 minute to see what price is doing. UK 30 UK 100, I get it. The VIX I get. Oh, maybe it was just that one. I just want to make sure whatever package I get here, I get, all the time frames of DXY. I think I might go with the Pro Plus, where I can have the 4 charts in one window.
That's the move. It's
Yeah,
worth it.
yeah, I might just do that. I'm gonna call them today. Let me make it again.
Finally getting a little bit of bearish volume on GJ.
Bearish, how you doing? Ooh, we're rejecting that area. Big time. That candle's about to flip bearish.
I'm waiting to see if gold's going to push up through this 1830 level. It's got a level to push through before it gets any higher, and it's definitely starting to reject.
Yeah.
1830, 72. But we might push up here. We can break this high. 5 minute tells a lot today on gold.
Oh, definitely.
Like some days you get gold and it's super wicky where like you don't even have bodies on your chart. It's all wicks. It's like a fucking headache. But sometimes it trades a little smoother. Seems like today is kind of one of those days. Getting a couple body wicks and a couple body candles.
Yeah, we've been getting volume on Mondays. This would have been the entry down here for me. The 15-minute impulse, little rejection wick right here, closed bullish. Price came down, didn't really create a bottom wick, but passed the high of this candle right before the 8 o'clock open. Let's push this up, secure it wick fill and 1-to-1. And we would have still been in this.
Yeah, that little magic keys thing is kind of annoying on your screen where you can't see the candle because it tells you how many points, pips, whatever you're up.
I'm sorry, which one?
It's like the new magic keys update, how it tells you like the pair and how many points or pips that you're up.
Mm-hmm.
Or wait, maybe it's dollars. I don't really know. it gets in the way of your last candle because MetaTrader does that thing where like you can't scroll the screen out, like you can't move the screen left or right like you can on TradingView and like move the whole chart. It always gives you the latest candle all the way to the right.
You
Oh, what the
saying-
hell?
Can you
Oh,
go see
well,
my
yes,
screen?
it's once, yeah, but it's once you're in a trade and it starts giving you like your P&L. Yeah.
You can't do this. You can't scale.
Oh, how do you do that? Yeah, mine doesn't let me do. Well, you have MT5. I have MT4, and it does not let me do that.
It's the same thing though. If you go here, properties, you know the scale fix.
Yeah, I mean, I'm holding down my
But do
screen
your
now, and like I can only scroll left and right.
that's weird. You just gotta make sure your fixed maximum is like way beyond 1839,
Yeah,
or
yeah.
you know fixed minimum is way below 1813.
Definitely played the safe. I've secured most of my position here, so it's starting to reject. Could definitely go higher, but it's Monday. I'm up 1%.
Yeah, great job.
Pretty happy with this.
Yeah, if you could just send the analysis to that. You're on Trello.
Yeah, and I've been taking screenshots throughout the chart, throughout the trade on TradingView, so I'll send charts later.
Awesome. So I'm gonna put this here. It's a nice start to your week, right?
Yes, sir.
There you go. That's one.
I'm in a GJ sell at 522.
Okay.
Nice.
8:53 a.m.
You've been in for 30 minutes, Jaden?
No, I'm saying at the price
Oh,
522.
gotcha.
Take that impulse entry.
I saw that it was just it did a third kiss on the 5-minute downtrend.
Oh, right here.
Yeah.
I love when people call it a kiss. That last kiss. Dude, there's so much terminology in this market.
No.
We all know who has the best one though. Brandon with the crisp entries.
Crisp.
Sniper
Crisp.
crisp. Crisp entry. Like, why is it crisp?
Maybe a little late to enter now, huh?
Yes.
Yeah.
See, you're learning now. Last week you entered down here.
Yeah.
But let's get rid of this. Speaking of
once it breaks that 143,900 level, it's off to the races.
Oh yeah. Speaking of a last kiss though, might retap of this Euro JPY bullish trend. Came right back up, faked out. This looked like it was coming down, but I wanted to retest this area before it started heading down, unless it's going to form support right here and continue up to retest 127,100. Wendy's still in here. What's up, Wendy?
Hey, what's up?
What's up, buddy?
Yeah.
You have a good weekend?
Yeah, pretty good.
Awesome. Yeah, as I was saying before, I think you and Cassie would make a good team. Just bouncing ideas back and forth, holding each other accountable, and making sure you guys are doing everything you want to do. She's experienced. She's I think around 30, and she's been trading for a little bit, so she knows what she's doing.
Yeah, I'll see what I can do later.
Awesome. You have a good weekend?
Where's Wendy at?
Wendy is definitely on the east coast of the world, but he I forget where he's from. To be honest with you, I think it's. I couldn't tell you. Actually, I don't have it here.
So the
Indonesia. That's right. I knew it.
Nice. Pretty cool, man, how we're like all over the world in here.
I know. Jay, how are you managing this trade? You still just staying in?
I'm just at break even.
I'm saying, like, do you close 50 at break even? I know you trade a little bit differently than I do, but
So for some reason, so like you know how I told you I'm getting a computer, like a PC.
yeah.
I have it all built right. I have it all built right here, but I haven't figured out how to. I'm having issues with the Wi-Fi on it, and so I've been waiting to install Magic Keys. So I haven't been able to use it yet. But like on my MetaTrader on my phone, it doesn't let me close partials for some reason. So I just have to. It's so fucking annoying, dude.
That sucks.
Damn.
Message Gabriel.
Is that an FTMO guy?
No.
Who's the Magic Keys guy?
For the Magic Key. Noah, were you able to get a hold of him?
You help me
Yeah,
out,
yeah,
Noah?
he helped me out.
And he,
I
yeah,
didn't even,
he's
I didn't
really
even have
good,
to
right?
get on a.
It's not a Magic Keys problem. I haven't even installed it. I'm waiting to do it on my computer to install it, but on my phone I can't close partials. So I don't know if it's like the FTMO server or the MetaTrader
Yeah.
or what.
I have the opposite problem with my FTMO, Jaden. I can't close partials or set a stop loss on my computer without Magic Keys, but I can do it on my phone. It's weird.
Weird.
They want you guys to blow your account.
Yeah, it's a whatever wonky demo account they got us on.
Wait, you beat the challenge though, right?
You know, I'm in it now.
Oh, you're in the challenge. Okay,
We're both on it,
cool.
I think.
How was your first week? Or when did you start it?
Last Tuesday. Last week was volatile as fuck. I was up 2%, then somehow down almost 5%, and then finished break even. So kind of I'm restarting this week, but I'm
Dude,
up 1% today.
I broke even too.
Yeah, I was down $12 on the week, and I'm like, you know what? I'm happy with this after the shit that I pulled some mornings. So I'm taking it slower this week. Like I said, I was safe on that gold trade. I'm up 1%, and honestly, that might be it for the day for me. But we'll see.
I feel that. I watched a couple like tip videos on YouTube for FTMO challenge, and one of these chicks said that it's smart to get a buffer. So like get a small amount of profit, not using your normal risk. So I just use like 0.5%, and so the first 3 days I had a $500 day each day, and I had a $1,500 buffer, and then my first 1% trade was that I took a GJ trade, forgot to check the news, and it completely just took me out in one candle, and I was like, great.
I was out on Wednesday.
Yeah. And then Thursday, like I made another $500 trade, so I'm up a little bit, but it's pretty much break even right now.
Yeah, I mean, I was managing risks per trade right last week, and I was only risking max 1% on a trade, but I was just over trading some days and revenge trading, and that's kind of what screwed me at the end of the day. But like these gold trades and stuff where they move a lot quicker, I've been sizing down on my lots, and it's Monday too, so playing it safe.
Good shit, Noah. You see anything you like for 10 a.m. with S&P?
I honestly have not. I was looking at it. I'm bullish right now, but we'll have to see how the market opens.
Yeah.
honestly, like, so I did a lot of back testing on it this weekend, and
Yeah.
I was talking to Giovanni about this too, but like, you really don't see a lot of the true moves until 8 o'clock, because usually you see a big move happen overnight, whether it's a correction or it's an impulse for the next day. And then price will react to that kind of through the end of, or like, I guess, middle of London session, open of New York. But then sometimes you tend to see like a complete change in direction at 9:50, 10 o'clock. So I'm bullish right now, but we'll have to see what happens.
Similar with US 30 too. US 30.
Yeah. Yeah, they
we'll
trade
hit that
very
point.
similar. Just S&P just has bigger moves, but they mimic the same
Yeah.
like patterns of moves and price action. Usually will be very similar throughout the day.
Absolutely.
The nice part about S&P for me, at least with FTMOs, I can trade mini lots similar to gold. So if I really want to like risk down on something, since it moves so quickly, I can. Whereas with US 30, I still have to trade standard lots.
Is that frustrating?
No, I just don't trade US 30, at least not right now.
There you go.
I'm gonna send
I
my
test it. But all right, guys, I'm going to head off. I actually have a I'll take a look at this. I have to head
oh
over.
no, that's fine. It's just what I'm looking at for today.
Awesome.
Kind of that swing high is like 38, 39.08, and that's what I'll be looking for price to break today if we're gonna move any higher. But it's a Monday. Equity markets, I feel like, move even slower on Mondays than than currencies. And let me look. Last time I looked, there's nothing big happening today from an equity perspective.
Yeah, we got on Tuesday. Actually, no, not Tuesday. Yeah, we should get some volume pumping in on Wednesday with CPI, and then Bailey speaking and Powell speaking. You got a bank holiday on Wednesday. Just keep in mind for GJ, but it shouldn't affect us in the New York session, because we have the pound, and especially the London session as well. But like I said, I gotta head over to the city. You guys have a great day. Keep sending your analysis, journal your trades, send them to the our new collaborative journal over here. Oh, that's an old one. Over here. A couple of people already added their analysis. I added my GJ trade from this morning. Unfortunately, yeah, I can't add. Damn. So I gotta figure out how to do that. It doesn't update the card from my original journal, so I'll figure out how to do that. But anyway, you guys have a good day. I'll see you guys soon. Yeah,
Dude, yo, happy birthday, buddy.
appreciate it,
Haven't had a
man.
chance to say it yet. Yeah,
Thank
have a
you
great
so
day.
much.
Hell yeah.
Appreciate it, guys. Have a good
See
one.
you guys tomorrow.
Later, boys.
Peace.